Whew. I am pretty overwhelmed by the events that unfolded in the past days. Nung nakaraan po, nag-post ako ng video informing you kung paano kami ay nakatanggap ng tawag, telling us na 90 tickets out of 1,000 pa lang yung nabebenta. And that's why we had to go to Singapore and we had to promote. And now in the same room, in the same chair, I'm here creating this video dahil kagabi po, habang kami ay nasa kalagitnaan na interview, we received a message from our producers that our concert in Singapore is now officially sold out. Ito po ang naging produkto ng ating bayanihan. I just want to take this moment to thank all of you sa mga kababayan natin dito sa Pilipinas, sa Singapore, even mga OFW sa ibang bansa. Ramdam po namin ang encouragement, ramdam po namin ang suporta nyo, kung paano nyo kami tinulungan mag-promote, mag-share. Yung iba sa inyo, kahit na hindi kayo taga Singapore, sumuporta kayo sa paraan na kaya nyo. Maraming salamat din sa 18 dito sa Pilipinas, sa buong mundo, and 18 Singapore na naging karamay namin. Talagang sinamahan kami sa lahat ng pinuntahan namin to promote. Actually, share ko lang kagabi, kachat ko si Stel. Sabi ko sa kanya, uy, thank you. Dahil sa 18, napakalaking bagay na ginawa ng 18 para sa amin. And sabi niya, yung 18 daw talaga, hindi lang SB ang susuportahan niyan, pero susuporta din sa iba. Dahil yung advocacy nyo, i-uplift yung OPM at P-pop, hindi lang sa Pilipinas, pero sa buong mundo. We are a proof that you guys, you're really here to uplift P-pop and OPM on the global stage. And we're just grateful to be part of that. So maraming salamat for extending your help and support sa amin. And of course, our beloved Juanistas, maraming salamat for believing in us, for embracing us, and for journeying with us. Thank you to everyone who supported us. So this concert, this coming November 16, it's not just gonna be about the ones. It's gonna be a celebration of our victory together. We are so excited. In fact, I'm on my way to rehearsals now. At kung nanonood ka ngayon, pinapanood mo tong video na to, and somehow you are in a similar situation, meron kang malaking challenge na hinaharap, or nafe-feel mo na parang nalulunod ka na sa lahat ng pressure, sa lahat ng problema, nawa ito ay maging inspiration sa'yo to just keep taking the next step, to take that leap of faith. Because number one, God is with you. And number two, if you will ask for help, if you will open up, if you will be honest, there will be people who will be willing to help you na makatawid sa kung nasaan ka man doon sa gusto mong patunguhan. God bless you all. And once again, maraming salamat po.